You think you're a social media expert? Well, 48% of people fail this quiz. Are you one of them? Let's find out.
Hello, so today we are talking about the YouTube post or quiz post for YouTube. So first we go to our channel, and here is my channel, Brand Locally. Okay, now I want to create a quiz post. So first we need to go over post. There, as you can see on top, we have 4 options: image, image poll, text poll, and quiz. So I want to create today a quiz for my channel. So first I will go to quiz, then select a quiz questions which I need to ask to the followers or want to post in my channel. So now select your question which you want to post. So for quick reference, I am picking question from my previous post. So pick a question and put over there. Then choose your options as answer. First, put the answers. You can upload only 4 options for an individual question. So I am putting the 4 answers, and after that, you need to select the one which is the correct. So I am selecting this one as my question is, what's the key to social media success? So I think that building brand awareness and success, engagement with audience is the right for this question. So you need to select as the correct answer, and after that, just post it for your subscribers. So now I'm canceled this post because I'm already posted it previously over there. So I want to show you my previous quiz which I posted 12 days ago on this question in my channel. That is, what is the key to social media success? For that, we have to go to our YouTube studio. Then go to content. Then go to post. So over here, I go to my post which I published 12 days ago, and is the result where I am asking to my peoples that what is the key to the social media success. And 48% peoples are saying consistency in posting is the key to success in social media. But no, this is not the right answer, as we saw earlier video that I selected engaging with your audience as my correct answer. So 30% peoples are correct, but 48% people are selecting this one, which is not the correct one as per my quiz. Because if you are not engaged with your audience, how can you grow? And if you don't grow, how can we feel the success? So if you want to success over social media, you need to engage with your audience.
Drop your answers in the comment and see if you're smarter than the 48% of people. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more social media secrets.